I've been club treasurer for the last 14 years. I've helped out in the club shop, in the matches and functions. I have looked after catering in the club for teams. We run our bingo every Monday night, and I'm on the bingo committee. I retired in November at the AGM after 14 years. My greatest achievement has been seeing this indoor arena open. It started in 2016 at a club meeting. We decided we'd start an indoor arena, so we had to do numerous fundraisings for the project. We did Fish's Family one weekend here in the club, and it was a great success. And we did Dancing with the Stars a weekend, and then we set up standing order lotto. The overall project cost 1.2 million. So,
and you had to process every one of those invoices?
Yes. It's a 40 by 60 indoor arena, and it caters for all kids in the parish, boys and girls, from 4 to 14. On Saturday mornings here for underage training, and all teams use it in the winter time for their training. And there's also a gym next to it. GAA is it's a social outlet for me, and it's something for every week to go to, and I'm very involved in it, so I look forward to meeting people. I nearly fainted. I was shocked. I couldn't believe I was getting an award like this. But it's a great honour to accept on behalf of the volunteers in the club. You know, you'd be thinking down to the club, all the great volunteers that's in the club that's been there for, you know, years upon years, working day and night. You know, why me?
An buaiteoir thar ceann Chuaigh Amháin, Joan Keogh.